Here today with Raheem. And why don't you get us started, Raheem? Talk a little bit more about your role at Noor.
Sure. So here at NūrAI, I not only serve as the co-founder, but also the chief scientific officer. All of the work we do here at NūrAI is backed by science. We rely on papers published by groups in the vocal affect and psychology space, from groups at MIT, the University of Pennsylvania, schools on the West Coast and the East Coast, because it's very important for us to deliver consumers and users who want to improve their communication skills, technology that not only helps to coach them, but is also backed by science.
Absolutely. And why don't you tell us a little bit more about then your background and how it got you into working with your older brother?
That's a great question. I'm actually a recent graduate of undergrad in New York City. I studied behavioral neuroscience. Behavioral neuroscience was a very important field for me to study because I was not only interested in the molecular aspects of the brain and cognition, but also the psychological aspects. So when Mikhail first approached me with the idea of starting NūrAI, I was actually taking a class called Sensation and Perception, where I was in the middle of my unit learning about communication. And I remember telling Mikhail about some of the stuff we were listening and learning about in class, learning that when we think about communication, we not only have to think about the way that we are forming words, but also the way that people are responding to our words.